Have you ever noticed that when someone yawns, you suddenly feel the urge to yawn too? You try to resist it, but your face just doesn't anyway. So why is yawning contagious? Part 1. What's happening? When you see someone yawn, your brain's empathy system lights up. It's the same network that helps you feel what others are feeling, especially the mirror neurons in your brain. These mirror neurons mimic the actions and emotions of others. So when your brain recognizes a yawn, it quietly tells your face, hey, let's do that too.